Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm gonna show you the live price prediction of Bittorrent coin and what's the next target of Bittorrent. Now as you can see here on the screen, that is live price prediction. The price change goes, the market cap and the change occurs, and what's the next target of Bittorrent. I will show you in this video. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more new updates about Bittorrent coin. Kindly subscribe now friends. As you can see here, first of all we'll look the price prediction. After this we look the worst coin and the next in a Bittorrent coin. As you can see here, the price of the Bittorrent is about 0.008177 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent coin. And if you look the changes of the Bittorrent coin in the last 1 hour, last 1 day, in the last 7 days, so as you can see here, they are completely falls down occur in a TRX coin. As you can see here, Bittorrent coin falls down, completely falls down. As you can see here, the last 1 hour change is also in the falls, and the last 1 day price change is also in negative, and the last 7 day price is also in negative friends. So it's time of falls of Bittorrent. So what should they do? A lot of people also message me on Instagram that what should they do at this time Bittorrent falls down. So friends, my suggestion for all of you that please, it's not time, don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell your Bittorrent coin at this time friends. Hold your Bittorrent coin, because the big explosion, the big jump of the Bittorrent coin are coming soon. So please wait for a Bittorrent coin. And now if we look the market result of the Bittorrent coin, so the market result is about rank 29 in market cap as a high, and circulating, as you can see here, if we talk about circulating is as distribution 66.57% distribution occurs in a Bittorrent coin friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Bittorrent coin. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction as a negative 15.83% falls occur in a Bittorrent in the last 1 day friends. Now what's the next target of Bittorrent? What's the future of Bittorrent coin? As you can see here, for the rejection we have to look the chart of the Bittorrent coin. As you can see here, the completely falls occur in a Bittorrent, but don't worry, after some passage of time there is a jump. Don't be lose hope. As you can see here, now at this time they falls down. I know they falls down, but after some falls, after 12 hour, after 4 hour, maybe they goes upward, because after a great falls, completely 1 week falls down occur in a Bittorrent. So most there is a jump mostly in a Bittorrent coin. After a jump there is a after a falls there is also a jump. As you can see here, they completely falls down occurs in a Bittorrent coin. So please don't do this mistake. Don't sell it a Bittorrent coin at this time. That's my personal experience, I will share it with you. So what's your opinion about Bittorrent coin? Please share your opinion in a comment box, and don't forget to subscribe for a new updates about Bittorrent coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.